warning for northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grant Park, or 8 miles northeast of Momence, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lowell, Momence, Lake Village, Rose Lawn, Lake Delacarlia, Grant Park, Shelby, Schneider, Sumava Resorts and Fair. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 243. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's weather radio.